Now that we've got Mongo installed on our Windows operating system, we're going to install a second companion tool for working with MongoDB. This program is called RoboMongo, and it is used to look at all the data that is sitting inside of our Mongo database. In essence, it's a nice fancy GUI or graphical user interface for looking at everything that's sitting inside of our database. So let's get it installed and see how it works. At my browser, I'm going to navigate to robomongo.org. Once here, I can either find the download button on the bottom left or top right hand side. So let's click on download. I'll find the latest version and then click on the download link here. And then I can select either the installer or portable version. The installer right here will install RoboMongo and it automatically give you some links in your start menu and nice stuff like that for opening it in the future. If you don't want to install it, you can grab the portable version, which will give you just the installation directory by itself, and then you can run the portable version at any point you like. I think I'm going to go with the portable version because I usually prefer minimizing the amount of stuff that I have installed on my operating system. So I'm going to download the portable version. This grabs a zip file. After it's done downloading, I'll open up the zip file. And then inside of here, this is where everything we need for running this RoboMongo tool sits inside this folder. I need to extract this to some location on my machine. So I'm going to open up a file explorer. I'll open up my desktop, and I'm going to extract everything inside of this folder to my desktop. Now once it's extracted, I'll open up that folder. I'll find my robomongo.exe file inside of here and run it. Okay, by default, I've got a single connection here. Very likely you do not. So I'm going to delete this connection and we'll start over from scratch. So I'm going to click on Create to create a new connection to the local database that we just set up. The default address and port in here are A-OK. If you want to change the name, it's totally up to you, but the name isn't actually used for anything. So I just need to click Save. Then I can select this new connection and click Connect. Now, if you have any difficulty with connecting to this instance, you might try restarting your Mongo server. So I've got my running Mongo process over here. I can stop it by hitting Control-C. And you'll notice that now it exits the Mongo executable. I can then start the process back up, and we'll try doing connection again. And there we go. That time everything worked out just fine. So right now I have absolutely no data sitting inside of my Mongo database, and so I have nothing in here to select. However, as we start to make use of Mongo and we start to add some data in, we're going to see some different data or different pieces of data sitting inside of this new connection object right here. So this is all we have to do for right now. We're going to continue in the next section. We're going to talk about how Mongo works, and then once we start inserting data into our database, we'll come back to RoboMongo and just observe that data sitting inside there. So let's continue in the next section.